Okay, so I decided to actually do another comment thingy. I gotta name these. Reason why I'm backed up now on not making videos is because of an ice storm that happened.
Yeah, freezing.
I'm with Spartan Studios right now. Yeah, this kind of happened. And that's like with every trees, there's ice on them. See,
I mean, look at this. Go, turn your camera over here. Look how
see ice on the trees.
Just look at this.
And then my dad's over there trying to fix the generator that he took from his work. I didn't tell you that.
Bricks are frozen. The bricks.
That is obnoxiously loud. So, besides listening to that, I'm pretty much updating you guys when I can post this. This is my jail-free card excuse that I'm not making any more videos for a little bit longer because of the ice storm that happened here.
Or that he's standing on it.
Even the ground is ice. You can't see it because there's snow over it, but like, see, even here, that's all ice. And to add on to it, I caught a cold, so I probably sound really stupid right now. And add on to that, yesterday was my birthday.
Hey, you want to put your tongue on this? Ice frozen basketball. Hard ass ice. I like how it like shines like right here, like all shiny up against it. It's all glaring off that little light through the fence.
I'm probably going to edit this part out because you don't need to see all of this. That's at least...
Wow, the wood is frozen. That's amazing.
It's at least an inch around a centimeter. You might be able to see our breath. Oh wow, that is iced.
Can't even break it.
What else is iced?
Even the cars were frozen this morning.
I will admit right now, it looks pretty cool.
Awesome.
But it's really dangerous and annoying at the same time.
Not really. Kind of easier to break.
No, it is. It's really annoying.
It'd be easy to break, but if you actually look, like this tree that's in the neighbor's yard is like bent over.
Now you can see it like shining here.
Nice and shiny. But you know, it's not that cold. I mean, it's like all frozen like up here. It's not cold at all.
Yeah, and if you guys have something to say about my red gloves, it's because I'm...
Shut up, they're keeping it warm.
Yeah, shut up, for keeping me warm. Then I'm host on Black Ops. I'm on the snow map right now.
Yeah, playing cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle roll. That was the worst cock-a-doodle roll I've ever seen. Alright, well, I'm gonna get off here.
I think you show them doing me an epic run.
I forgot to add in to comment on or suggest in the comment box below about stuff I should do for videos later on. So yeah, technically you guys could have gave me something to do while I was incapable of doing anything. Yeah. So it's your fault. This is my cool new hat, that's why I'm showing it. And then, pretty much, yeah, comment, subscribe. Zarkron signing off.